Libra, you've always wondered, why me? Why was your path the one filled with delays, detours, betrayals, and moments so heavy, even the mirror didn't recognize your strength? Let's pause for a second, because if this message found you, it's not random. You're the chosen one, not because you asked for the weight, but because you carried it when others would have broken. Let's open this sacred session. Welcome to this moment, just you, me, the stars, and spirit, finally giving you answers. Let's begin with your chart, because astrology never lies. Right now, Pluto is retrograde in Aquarius, activating your fifth house. This is the part of your chart that rules authentic expression, joy, your inner child, and even love. But Pluto is no soft teacher. It reveals where you've betrayed yourself just to keep the peace, the classic Libra shadow. You've made yourself small to avoid conflict. You've overextended to be liked. You've said yes when your soul was screaming no. And Pluto? It's done watching that. This is your transformation era, so if people are falling away, if you're suddenly angry or more emotional than usual, it's not regression, it's resurrection. Because you can't carry the weight of the world and expect to find joy unless you finally stop dimming your light. Now let's see what your cards say. Because Libra, they're loud today. The Five of Pentacles shows up first. You felt left out, emotionally, spiritually, maybe even financially. But here's the twist most readers miss. That card doesn't show people abandoned by God. It shows people walking past the light without realizing they're seconds away from warmth. Spirit says, you were never alone. But I had to let you feel the silence so you'd stop chasing approval and start chasing purpose. Then comes the Nine of Wands. You're tired. You've been fighting invisible battles for years, always feeling one step away from collapse. But here's the truth. That final push, it's happening now. You're not about to break. You're about to break through. And just when it feels darkest, the star appears. You're the light now. This isn't some vague encouragement. This is confirmation that every delay, every detour, every door that slammed in your face was divine construction. Spirit was rerouting you, because the destiny you carry is bigger than the life you imagined. Back to the skies. Let's talk about your ruler, Venus. Right now, Venus is dancing in Taurus, your eighth house. That's no coincidence. This house rules death and rebirth, soul contracts, karma, power, and other people's money. Translation? You are being reborn from the inside out. Relationships that once drained you are now exposing themselves. Energetic cords are being severed. You're being aligned with people who match your mission. Also, financial blessings connected to past pain may arrive. An inheritance, a sudden opportunity, or even spiritual reward turning into tangible support. You're not meant to just survive anymore. Let's check in again with the tarot. The Wheel of Fortune just turned in your spread. And this isn't just good luck, it's divine timing. Your karma is being cleared. Your name is being whispered in rooms you haven't even entered yet. Doors are opening because you endured when no one saw your tears. The Ace of Swords follows. This is your voice returning, your truth cutting through confusion. Remember how you once questioned your worth, your intuition, your timing? That fog is gone. You are no longer negotiating your value. You know who you are. Let's end with this. The final card, the High Priestess. Yes, Libra, you're tapped in. You've always been. But now, you're being activated. Dreams are becoming instructions. Signs are arriving faster. Spirit is whispering louder. Not because you've suddenly become worthy, but because you're finally ready to receive without apology. So take this moment to claim it, not in fear, not in hope, but in knowing. Because the truth is, you were chosen to walk a harder path. Not for punishment, but because Spirit trusted you with the assignment. And guess what? You passed the test. Now, the blessings begin. The struggle was the setup. The miracle is the reward. And this is just the beginning.